Hey everyone, welcome to Secure Haven, your go-to channel for cybersecurity tips, tricks, and tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install VMware Fusion on your Mac. Let's get started. First, let us download VMware Fusion from the official website. I will put the link in description below. In order to do that, open any of the browser. Don't worry, the link of this website is in the description given below. Click on download now and please log in. It's free. First you need to sign up and then you can log in. So I was logging it with login with my credentials. So once your login was successful, you will get a screen like this. Yeah, please accept the agreement, and you can see the download was started. Please wait until the file was downloaded. You can see the file was downloaded here. So in order to access the downloaded file, you can directly double tap here, or you can go to your Finder and you can go to Downloads tab. Under Downloads tab, you can see VMwareFusion.dmg. Make double tap on it. If you make a double tap on it, you will get a pop-up screen. So you can see double click to install VMware Fusion. Please make a double click on the logo. Follow all the on-screen instructions to get a successful installation. Click on open. It will ask you for an admin password. It will ask for the password. The password is the same password which you will use to unlock your MacBook. You can access VMware Fusion by opening it from the Access tab. And there you have it. You have successfully installed VMware Fusion Pro on your Mac. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries or want to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Secure Haven for more cybersecurity content. Thank you for watching.